Welcome to the cook pot video. So, I got this new MSR Titan Kettle for Christmas, 0.8 liters. And we're just gonna kind of compare the weight of it to my current setup, which is the Sea to Summit Alpha Pot 1.2 liters, 40 ounces. So if we just weigh them, and we'll weigh the cook pot here, that's 4.4 ounces. And then if you weigh the Alpha Pot, it comes up to 1 pound, 0.8 ounces. But inside of the Alpha Pot, I have my whole cook set. So we just lock that into place really quick. And we open it up, you can see that we have a pot stand, the Pocket Rocket 2, a partly used fuel canister, 2 little scrubbies, and a bowl. Now if we're going to do an apples to apples comparison, we'll just grab that lid there, turn the scale back on again, and now we're at 6.6 ounces compared to the 4.4. Now if we stick the majority of that stuff that was just in the other bowl, there we go here, we'll stick that fuel canister in there, and maybe just 1 scrubby here. And we'll put the Pocket Rocket here on the side. Try to get it in there nice. Set that in there as best as we can. And maybe just take the lid on. Try to popping back up. Oh, no, not quite. Not quite. There we go. There we go. Not too bad. And now we're at 12.5. We lose the bowl and a scrubby, but we lose some weight too, a couple ounces. We'll just use the kettle as a bowl. All right. We'll see you on the Arizona Trail.